In this video, we're going to show you how to perform a brake bleeding process on your Toyota Tundra. And with the hood open, we're going to locate our master cylinder right here on the driver's side firewall. There's a rubber cap. We want to go ahead and peel that up and off. Set that aside. Now we're going to use a tool here to go ahead and evacuate as much of the brake fluid as possible. Now you can use something like this here. You can use something as generic as a turkey baster to go ahead and do this. And we have a separate reservoir or container over here. We can go ahead and get that fluid out. Now at this point here, we did evacuate as much of the fluid as we could. And let's fill this up with fluid. Make sure you're using the appropriate brake fluid recommended for the vehicle. Put our cap on, and let's continue to the brake bleeding process. Now that we topped off our master cylinder with fluid, we're now going to start our brake bleeding procedure. Now we have someone inside the vehicle who's going to assist us with this, and we're going to start at the right rear wheel, and then we're going to move to the left front, left rear, and finish at the right front. Now we're using an 8mm box wrench right here, and we have our bleeder container. We're going to go ahead and have them pump up the brakes and hold it. And we're going to put our boot on here and crack this open. And what we're looking to do is relieve any air bubbles in the system. Okay, pump it up. Okay, continue. And again. And you can see we're getting a solid, steady stream of fluid here. So what we're going to do is we're going to move to the left front wheel to continue this process. Remove the cap off the master and fill to the full line. Install the cap. Now on the left front, I'm going to go ahead and do the same process here. Now our brake bleeder on the front here has a rubber cap. If yours has it, just go ahead and pop it off. If it doesn't have it, then you're all set. I'm going to put my wrench on here, get my bleeder bucket ready, and I'll go ahead and have them pump up the brakes. Go ahead and pump. Go ahead. And we're getting a solid stream of fluid here as well. Go ahead and pump it up. And we do one more for good measure. Okay, pump it up. Now at this point here, you can go ahead and release the brake. We now want to go ahead and go to the engine bay, and we're going to top off the brake fluid reservoir with fluid, and then we're going to continue and repeat this process for the left rear and then finish up with the right front. Remove the cap off the master and fill to the full line. install the cap. So at this point here, if you've hopped into the vehicle and the pedal still feels soft and squishy, you want to repeat this brake bleeding process a second time. For any reason, if it still doesn't feel firm, you want to go ahead and use a scan tool to do a pressure bleed using the tool.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.